Top 6 warning signs. You're losing work-life balance.
Are you noticing changes in your daily routine or overall well-being? Discover the most common warning signs that your work-life balance may be slipping and learn what you can do to get back on track.
1. Constant fatigue.
Feeling tired all the time? Persistent exhaustion, even after a full night's sleep, often signals that work is taking over your life. When you can't recharge, it's harder to focus, stay healthy, and enjoy time outside work. Taking regular breaks and setting boundaries can make a big difference.
2. Neglecting personal relationships.
Work keeping you from family and friends? When you regularly miss social events or stop connecting with loved ones, it could mean your job is consuming too much time and energy. Maintaining strong relationships is crucial for emotional well-being and life satisfaction.
3. Decreased job satisfaction.
Losing interest in your work? Burnout can creep in when you're working too much, leading to frustration, boredom, or even resentment toward your job. A healthy work-life balance keeps you motivated and engaged in your professional life.
4. Health issues start appearing.
Noticing more headaches or trouble sleeping? Chronic stress from poor work-life balance can lead to frequent illness, sleep problems, or other health concerns. Prioritizing downtime and self-care helps you stay physically and mentally healthy.
5. No time for hobbies or relaxation.
Have your interests fallen to the side? When work consumes your schedule, hobbies and relaxation often slip away. Missing out on activities you enjoy is a clear red flag that your balance needs adjusting.
6. Feeling overwhelmed and irritable.
Easily frustrated or anxious? If minor setbacks feel overwhelming or your patience is running thin, it's a sign you may be overextended. Managing your workload and making time for yourself can help restore calm and positivity.
How to regain your balance.
Noticing these warning signs? The good news is you can take action. Set clear boundaries between work and personal time. Prioritize self-care. Communicate your needs and schedule regular breaks. Small changes can make a big difference in restoring a healthy work-life balance.